Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to prepare some salt mackerel and ackee, and these are my ingredients that I'm going to use to prepare my ackee and salt mackerel. So my veggies are already washed, so I'm going to just cut them up and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. So guys, my salt mackerel is already cooked and picked. Look at that, people. You know, you have to boil all the salt from this thing because it is very salt at times. So guys, you know I have to take out some because I don't eat ackee. So I'm just going to take out my own for my dinner. And this is my amount. So I'm going in with the ackee now. So I'm going to combine everything together in the ackee. And this is my ackee and salt mackerel. And by the looks of it, it tastes very good. So to my pot, guys, I'm going to put in some salt. That's the amount I'm going to use. And I'm going to make my dumplings. This is my dumpling. So guys, you know you can't cook so dumpling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this pumpkin, see if it's fit. I'm going to put a piece of it. Look at that color, guys, straight from my backyard. So I'm going to peel it, wash it, and cook it, okay? And this is a bit ripe. This is the best pumpkin to boil soup. Look at this, pretty. So I'm just going to take out the belly of this piece and put it down for another time to use. And I'm going to plant back these seeds.